Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing some all-weather floor mats by Michelin on the 22 and up Jeep Grand Cherokee 4-door WL model. Let's get them installed and check them out. A big thank you to Michelin for providing the product for this video. We've got a 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit and we want to keep the interior as clean as possible. And these floor mats from Michelin should do the job. Let's get them open and check them out. They're packaged in this fancy carry bag that I haven't seen before from other brands. And they come with care and installation instructions as well. These mats are made from a high density TPE material, which means they're going to remain flexible even in high temperatures. Using inspiration from their tire designs, they've got these grooves that are going to help dissipate water and dirt. And that's ultimately going to keep the interior of your Jeep nice and clean. They're going to be durable and hard wearing, and they also come with a 1-year warranty. Simulating a water test here, you can see how the water travels down the grooves in the floor mats. It pulls the water away to stop it pooling, and as you can see, it makes cleanup very easy indeed. A quick wipe over and they're as good as new. They have these press fit anchors on them that clip into the mounting points inside your Jeep. On the underside of the mats you've got all these little spikes. That's going to dig into the carpet and keep the mats from moving around. If the mats are creased when you unpack them, Michelin recommends to lay them out in the sun for a little bit to soften them up. Our Jeep came with some premium floor mats from the factory, but they're plush. They're not going to stop any water or dirt from penetrating the carpet. It's the same on the front and rear passenger side. They've just got to go. Installation is really easy. First of all, you just got to remove your original mats. You have to remove them. Please don't install your new mats over the top of your existing mats. Simply slide in your new Michelin mats and clip them in place onto the anchors. Here you can see that the new Michelin mats offer edge-to-edge protection. They've got a nice deep lip and they're going to hold on to all that water and dirt and debris that you drag into your Jeep. They're really going to protect your original carpets. And then in the back, remove both mats, the driver and the passenger side. Go ahead and slide the one-piece floor mat into place in the rear. Push it under the front seats and then clip the 4 anchors into place. Make sure you hear a good solid click as you press them down. Again, in the back, they offer really good protection all the way under the front driver's seat and passenger seat and have a nice deep lip to hold on to all that water and dirt. Fully clipped into those anchors, they're not going to go anywhere, and they cover that central transmission tunnel as well. The same process for the passenger side. Remove your original mat, slide in your new Michelin mat and clip it into place. Again, really good coverage throughout. I could do with leaving these in the sun a little bit more. There's a little pinch there from the packaging, but overall, really good coverage all the way under the dash. Now I'm going to take you around the whole vehicle so you can just see how well these mats fit throughout. Here in the back, you've got that full coverage underneath the driver's seat and the passenger seat and over that transmission tunnel. And again, moving over to the passenger side, you've got full coverage over the transmission tunnel and underneath that front passenger seat. And back round to the front passenger side, you've got great coverage all the way up underneath the dash. You should make sure nothing is going to penetrate the carpets in your Jeep. As you can see, these are easy to install. They're just floor mats. But these are going to offer some great protection for your 4-door Jeep Grand Cherokee. These are not for the L, the longer one with the 7 seats. These are for the 4-door with 5 seats. They're going to offer you great protection from water and dust and dirt from getting through into the carpet. Michelin does recommend that you lay them out in the sun for a little bit to get rid of any creases from the packaging. They'll soften up and they'll become more pliable and follow the contours of the inside of the Jeep. If you like the product, there's a discount code in the description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.